At first glance, you might not know it, but this Flemish painting is all about sex. It's The Wedding Dance by Pieter Brueghel the Younger, and it depicts the festivities following a marriage of country folk. 4 couples dance in the foreground. Swirling skirts, playful smiles, and loose gestures underscore the bawdiness of the event. Notably, Brueghel chooses to represent all these men with codpieces to remind you this isn't a PG party. Looking to the right, we see 2 bagpipe players lean against a tree. Their presence accentuates the work's sexual undertones, as the instrument's phallic shapes were meant to symbolize male lust. Behind the dancers, other guests converse, embrace, kiss, and chug jugs full of beer. There's so much revelry that you might be forgiven for overlooking the happy couple themselves. The bride can be seen at the center of the painting. Brides wore black back then. She's distinguished by her flowing hair and the simple crown hanging before a lilac cloth of honor, denoting her as queen for the day. We're not exactly sure where the groom is, or if he's even there, but that's kind of the point. It's about the party. Everyone's having a good time. Actually, maybe too good of a time. What really distinguished the artworks of Pieter Brueghel the Younger and his famous father, Pieter Brueghel the Elder, was a directness, a willingness to represent the realities of everyday peasant life in all its ruddiness, rustic beauty, and disgrace. The people are simply modeled, their facial features and poses rendered without idealization. It was unusual, even revolutionary at the time. But beneath all the fun lurks a moralizing message. This looseness, promiscuity in the form of dancing and more salacious activities poses a threat to the pursuit of the virtuous life.